Hi, welcome to another episode of Property in a Box video tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through on how you can update your client on Fusion CRM. Let's start by logging into Fusion. Go to propertyinabox.com.au website and click on Member Login. Enter your login credentials and just simply hit on Sign In. Go to Accounts on the left menu selection, select Clients, or you can use the search bar to search by name, email, and even phone number. Under the Clients section, you'll find a list of your clients. It could be a prospect client or a property sale. Let's try to update one of the clients, let's say John Doe. As you can notice, lead status is set to under contract, which means that a reservation has been made against this client. Open the client account by hitting on either the first name or last name. Now let's discuss each section of the client account. Here you can set a task against this client, and you can refer to my other video that talks about how to use a task manager. You can also check on the different lead statuses. You have under contract, unconditional land settlement, and a lot more. Okay, summary notes section is only used by PHub's contract admin, and here you can find all the info related to this purchase or the sale. We also have the sales summary, wherein the status is set to under contract, and if you click this property or state, you will be routed to the project profile. And of course, you'll find your name in here as a subscriber and the commission that you get for the sale. Calendar, again, you can refer to my other video that talks about how to use the task manager. We also have attachments. Here you can attach documents like property inquiry form, reservation form, contract of sale, and all documents related to this purchase. We also have the client profile that you can edit, contact info, address. Let's go down to the notes history section. This is being updated by PHub's contract admin. You can refer to this section to be updated on what's happening with the sale. Let's say the last note was on the 11th of May and contract is fully executed by the seller. Okay, we have the sales tracker tick boxes. Here you can refer to the section to see where the sale is at. Activities section, messages, and registration. This one is applicable when this client registered to one of your landing pages. Could be from your real estate or wealth creation themed website. Okay, and that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. But if you have any questions, feel free to contact Property in a Box, and their contact details are showing on your screen.